Hello, welcome to episode 3 of my tutorial building Bukkit plugins in Java Eclipse. Today we're going to be working with an anti-grief, anti-tnt plugin. So pretty much when you place a TNT block, we're going to make it transform into either air or a different block. I'll decide when I get there. So, like always, start off by creating another Java project. Let's name it no-tnt. And in there, create a package, me.brosen.notnt, and then main. So again, first let's add the build path, the external jar, which is right here. Okay. And pops up there. Alright, since this is another event, when you place a block, you're going to have to implement listener again. So extends Java plugin, implements listener. From now on, I'm not going to hover over these and click import. I'm going to do Command-Shift-O. For Mac, I'm pretty sure it's just Control-O for PC. So Command, okay. And we're going to do logger again. Logger equals logger dot get logger. Alright, like we did last time. And then we're gonna make a new, not a new, but a public void on enable. Oops. So we're gonna do bucket dot get plugin manager. Plugin manager dot register events this and I'm going to do this dot logger dot info plugin enabled. Alright, just a little information about on enable. You always need this if you're doing anything really. When you run a plugin on your server, it looks for the onEnable to enable the plugin, especially if you have events like block break event like we did last episode, block place event like we're doing right now, or any other events that we're going to be doing later. You need to register events or else it'll give you a million error messages and it's just living hell pretty much. Okay, so let's do @event handler. Event handler. Yeah, okay. Public void on block place. Block place event, block build event. I think it's block build event. Maybe. Let's see what it is. Maybe it is block place events. Come on, scroll. Block. Let's try block place event. It wasn't in there, but. Okay, block place event. Sorry about that. I was completely mind blanking. Block place event. Block build event didn't sound right. Block place events. And block B, this is going to be the block that you place, equals E dot get block placed, instead of just get block because it wants us to get the block placed. Come on. Command-Shift-O. Alright. And then let's make a new player. Player P equals E dot get player. Alright. If b dot get type is equal to material dot tnt, then open bracket, p dot send message chat color dot red, because I like red. Let's make it dark red. dark red plus these little square brackets, the plugin name because it looks more professional, and space plus space, and I'm going to do another chat color dot white plus you may not place TNT. Alright, so then we're going to do b dot set. There should be a set type. Yeah, there is. I can see it down here. Set type material. Is there a material cake? There is. Alright, so pretty much what this is going to do, when you place a TNT, b dot get type material TNT, get type is just getting the material. If you don't, well, there isn't a way to do it any other ways. So get the material of TNT, it's going to send the message, you may not place that, it's going to transform it into cake, which is pretty cool. Alright, and then we're going to make it, so if it, and then op, we're going to make it so if an op is allowed to place TNT. So and, which is just saying and exclamation mark, that means if P is not op, is op. So the exclamation mark means if it's not. So if it says P is op and it's an exclamation mark, it means if P is not op. So that should work. If you're not op, it won't let you place it. If you are op, it'll let you place it. So okay, let's do else. And then if P dot is op without the exclamation mark, then P dot send message chat color dot dark red plus bad op. Okay, so to still let them place it, it'll just give them a message saying you're not very nice, don't do that. Alright, so now we're going to create the plugin.yml. Most fun part of the whole thing. No, I'm kidding. I don't like plugin YMLs. They're really boring and stupid. Alright. So the name of the plugin, which is no TNT. Author, which is me. Then the version 0.1. Description no TNT. And then the main, which again is the most important part of the whole plugin.yml, p.frozen.no.tnt.main. Okay, so that should be good. Just go back and check. Everything should work correctly. Alright, so I'm going to export this, and I'm going to come back when my server is up and I'm on my server. We're going to see how it runs. I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright, so we're back, and I started up my server, and it looks like we have no errors, no TNT, enabling no TNT, plugin enabled, version 0.1, like we have it, and I have all my other ones, but yeah, no TNT. Alright, let's go into here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to op, so it'll just give me the message first. Maybe I'm not on op, I don't know. Let's give myself a block of TNT. I got myself a TNT block. Bad op. See how it says bad op? Alright, let's de-op myself. De-op Rao Rogers. Give myself another piece of TNT. And let's try to place it. You may not place that TNT. So, let's take the code. It didn't make it cake, which, I mean, I guess that's just for fun, but I want to see why it did not make a cake. B dot, the B dot, maybe, I don't know why that didn't work. Gets block. Alright, Alright, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna look up why, I'm gonna try to figure out why it didn't work, and I'm gonna come back with the correct answer. Alright, so we're back and I feel really dumb because I just made the wrong material. I had material.cake and it's material.cake_block. So yeah, just make that little fix and I'm gonna go prove it to you just so you know, whatever. So give myself some tea and oh wow, okay. Alright, so we're back, and I feel really stupid because I made a very simple mistake. It's actually cake block, not cake. I had material.cake. It's material.cake_block. So I'm just gonna show to you right now that when I place it, it turns into cake. And it still gives me my message. I don't know why it's half eaten. Interesting. What does this one look like over here? I don't know why it's half eaten. Maybe I just right click so not too long. Alright. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the little hiccup there. Simple mistake. Easy fix. Alright, thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment any videos of plugins you would like to see.